Ever wondered why your trees and shrubs need pruning? Pruning plays a pivotal role in maintaining the health and enhancing the beauty of your green friends. It's an art, a science, and today we'll be counting down our top 5 tips. Let's dive into our top 5 tips for healthier trees and shrubs. Starting at number 5, always prune at the right time of year. Deciduous trees and shrubs thrive when pruned in late winter or early spring, while evergreens prefer late spring. This is because pruning at these times promotes healthy growth. Remember, timing is everything when it comes to pruning. Moving on to number 4, keep your tools clean and sharp. Pristine, sharp tools not only make the task easier but also promote plant health. Dirty or dull tools can introduce disease and cause unnecessary damage to your plants. Sharp and clean tools make all the difference. Our third tip, be sure to make clean cuts. When pruning, you want to cut just above a bud or branch. This encourages new growth and prevents disease. Avoid tearing or jagged edges as these can harm the plant. Clean cuts lead to healthier plants. Our second tip, don't prune too much at once. Over-pruning can stress your plants, leaving them vulnerable to disease and damage. It's best to remove only about 1/3 of the plant's overall mass at a time. Prune wisely, and your plants will thank you. And our top pruning tip, always prune with a purpose. Whether you're aiming to enhance your plant's shape, boost its health, or encourage flowering, having a clear goal in mind is key. Prune with a purpose, and you'll have healthier, happier plants. So, there you have it, our top 5 pruning tips for healthier trees and shrubs. We've covered when to prune, how to choose the right tools, the importance of cleaning your tools, how to make the right cuts, and the benefits of mulching after pruning. These simple steps can make a world of difference in your garden's vitality. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips. Happy pruning!